Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will discuss the new topic, that is implicit differentiation. It means you have to find the derivative of implicit function. First of all, we will discuss about the implicit function and explicit function. Actually, what are these functions? Then we will try to find out their derivative. See students, here I have taken two examples here. First one is this and second one is this. In this example, you see that this is an equation in algebraic form, x cube plus y minus yx square is equal to 0. If I will try to express this in terms of y, then I can write this as, taking y common from these two terms, I will get this y into 1 minus x square is equal to minus x cube. Then this implies that y will be equal to minus x cube upon 1 minus x square. See students, here just look at this. Here we can express y in terms of x entirely. Okay, right side is totally a function of x, left side is y. So entirely we can write y in terms of x. Similarly, in the second equation you can see there x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is equal to 0. If I will try to solve this, then I will get at the last y is equal to minus x cube upon y square plus 3x. So in this second equation, we are not able to express y entirely expressed in terms of x. Here y is the left side and also right side it is y here. So we are not getting here y in terms of x entirely. Okay, so in the first case, this function is called explicit function. Explicit function. And when we are not able to express y in terms of x entirely or x in terms of y, then that type of function is called implicit function. So in the second case, this function is implicit function. So here is the definition of implicit function. A function fxy, it means a function in terms of x and y, in both the cases, is said to be implicit function if it is not possible to express y entirely in terms of x or x in terms of y entirely, that is vice versa. Okay, so such type of function are called implicit function. Now students, it is a little difficult to differentiate such type of function which are implicit one. So we will take an example of that. See here, I have taken example here, sin xy plus cos xy is equal to 1. Here tan xy is not equal to 1, that is given a condition here. Then we have to prove that dy upon dx is equal to minus y upon x. See student, here this function is an implicit function because here is a function of in the trigonometric way form sin xy. Here we cannot express y in terms of x or x in terms of y, that's why. And here are two variables also, x and y. So this type of function is an implicit function. Now what we will do, we will try to differentiate this implicit function. Okay, so differentiating both sides, with respect to x. Okay, we get what we will get here, derivative of sin xy is equal to always cos xy, and according to chain rule we will also differentiate this xy. This will be equal to y plus x dy upon dx, and derivative of cos theta is always minus sin theta, so we'll get here minus sin xy, and according to chain rule again we will get here this in this way. Again differentiating this, we will get here x plus dy upon dx is equal to, and derivative of 1 is always 0. So see student, here cos xy, y plus x dy by dx minus sin xy, x plus dy by dx. Here y plus x dy by dx is common in both the terms. So we will get here cos xy minus sin xy into y plus x dy upon dx is equal to 0. Now what we have given there, a condition is here. See, tan xy is not equal to, see student, here if you will divide this whole equation both side by cos xy. So here we will get 1 minus sin xy upon cos xy is equal to 0 upon cos y means 0. So here we will get 1 minus tan xy, and since tan xy is not equal to 0, if we will divide this 1 minus tan xy, this can be done as here 0. Here we will get 1 minus tan xy, 1 minus tan xy, x plus dy upon dx is equal to 0, and we have already given that tan xy is not equal to 1. It means this terms cannot be 0. Okay, so it means if 1 minus tan xy is not equal to 0, it means this term cannot be 0. It means this is a constant term somewhere. So we'll get here only y plus x dy upon dx is equal to 0. Reason is here, this cos xy minus sin xy cannot be 0 because tan xy is not equal to 0. So at the last we will get y plus x dy upon dx. This implies that dy upon dx is equal to, this y will goes to the right side, we will get here minus y, and this x will goes to the denominator. So here is the required proof what we needed here, dy upon dx is equal to minus y upon x. So students, you have seen here that how to differentiate an implicit function, okay, under given condition. We will do more questions. First, have a fair note on this. Please note down this question, okay. Thank you.